The victims in yesterday's deadly crash in Trelawny have been identified. They are 23-year-old Quanard Owens, the driver of the ill-fated bus, Simone Minot, Dwayne Campbell, Horace Tullo and Akeem Roberts. Now, the five were killed when the driver lost control of the bus, which overturned and slammed into several trees along the Salt Marsh Main Road yesterday morning. 7 other passengers were injured. The group was reportedly heading to a party in Hanover. It's understood 3 of the injured passengers remain hospitalized in serious but stable condition. The others were treated and released between yesterday and today. The police say the crash was caused by excessive speeding. Still to come this evening, prominent attorney blasts Sissoko. And in business news, Grace Kennedy opens the state-of-the-art facility in Atlanta. Stay with us, we'll be right back.